Hi, sixth grade. Today we're going to do a quick refresher on ratios with using equivalent ratios and ratio tables. So up here is a story problem about Tommy. He's got a weird snacking habit. So every day after school, he drinks 8-ounce custom-made beverage of coffee and chocolate. He instructs the barista to use 6 ounces of chocolate syrup and 2 ounces of coffee. So this is my ratio table. I know that the 8-ounce drink is going to use 6 ounces. Ooh, maybe. There we go. 6 ounces of chocolate syrup, and it's going to use 2 ounces of coffee. So some ways to write this ratio is 6 with a semicolon and a 2. You could write 6 to 2, or you could even write it as a fraction. Now, if I wanted to find out how low it could go, I could divide my fraction by the same number. So 6 and 2 both share 2. An equivalent ratio would be 3 to 1. So that's how you can find an equivalent ratio. So now he wants the next size up. So he wants 2 of these. So if I'm counting by 6 and I add 6 more, that would be 12. Same here. I wanted, because 16 is half of 8. If he wanted a 16 ounce, that would be 4 ounces of coffee. Now we're tripling. So 6 times 3 would be 18. And 2 times 3 would be 6. So if he wanted a 24-ounce cup of coffee with his special drink, he would have 18 ounces of chocolate syrup and 2 ounces or 6 ounces of coffee, which sounds pretty gross to me. So in Google Classroom, I have left for you, I can actually show you. I left you a link to what's called the Ratio Challenge. So when you open this up, you'll get some options to do. Scroll down. I would do the baseball stadium or the amusement park. I would not do the aquarium research. This one digs a lot deeper and has percents and ratios. These two mainly deal with ratios. So I'm going to open up the baseball stadium one just to show you. So it gives you a little background information, and you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems to build this stadium. So all of them deal with ratios like we just did. Some of them are going to be a little harder. Just make sure that you're looking at the ratios, reading it carefully, and maybe even making a ratio table like we did before. If you have any questions, just give me an email and I'll get back to you. All right? See you guys later.